So let me tell you about the business model behind Agentikus. A very important part of the business model are the partners. The partners are companies that will implement Agentikus in their client companies, prepare their workspaces, prepare the agents, all the tools that they need to basically work on top of Agentikus. Now, how the partners will earn money is a very interesting business model on is as following. So Agentikus earns money per consumption. The more a client use the platform, the more consumption it generates, the more productive they are, the more the platform earns. Now, the partners can, after an agreement with their clients, charge a markup on top of Agentikus consumption, and that will be depending on how hands-on they are or not. For instance, if they are very hands-on, they can charge even 200%, 300% on top of the consumption because they are very hands-on, meaning that they will prepare the workspaces, prepare the workflows, prepare the agents and everything that the clients need to operate inside of Agentikus. And they can charge basically whatever they agree with the clients. So the platform is have a basic consumption layer or price. And on top of that, the partners can charge their fair markup on top of that. Just have to configure the workspace as a service workspace. And then they can set very transparently the percentage of markup. The clients will also see all the reports, so what they are consuming from Agentikus plus the markup on top of the partner. Yeah, this is how it works. It's very interesting for the partner because usually this kind of companies or the partners will go in, do a project, implement a couple of stuff, and then they will go out and they earn only once with every client. In this case, as the client grows and use the agents more, use the platform more, they will spend more on the client or the partners will actually earn constantly more. So everything is automated via Stripe. So the partner has to register via Stripe with the platform and then enable the payments. The clients then will pay via Stripe and it goes automatically as soon as the client pays is wired automatically to the partner based on the percentage they agreed. So that is all I have for today. It's a very important part of the business. So how it works with the business model with the partners. And see you next time. Ciao.